Good morning, everybody. I am Abdurrahman Naid, and my group will talk about safety in the workshop. This is Hassan Marhoun. We will talk about safety tools in the workshop. Then Alina Khamis will talk about the clinics in the workshop. This is Karl Magni. We'll talk about how to save work from fire, and Majid Al-Yami will talk about safety in electrical work. So,
I'm Hassan Marhoun. I will talk about first safety tools in the workshop. First, we need first to save workers in the workshop. Save all body of workers. We need to wear overall to save a worker from fluid or small parts flying. Then we'll talk about safety tools in the workshop, like a helmet. We use it when we work under the car or under or building. It's for engineering, so we need to use glasses to for movement, small parts flying, or when we are welding or cutting something. So we need to use gloves to save my hands. To save my hands when we work in hot things, like a exhaust system in the car, and it's respirator. We use it when we work in toxic gases, like exhaust gas in the car or for manufacture. We use it for like that.
Thank you.
Hello. Hello. I am Amin Al-Khamis. I was talking about cleaning in the workshop. Cleaning in the workshop is important to save workers from the sickness or dangerous accident in the workshop. The workshop should be clean from the waste, oil, grease, and fluids on the floor to make safe workers. And keep the tools clean and arranging them in them boxes if the work is finished. So they should put warning signs in the workshop to make workers be careful and safe. There is some warning signs or instructions should be put out in the workshop. This caution with flow to make worker be careful from fall down. Warning: clean machine after use. To keep machine clean and safe. To prevent presentation things in your eyes.
Hello
guys, good morning. I am Kevin Yusuf Al-Mazni. I am talk today about work safety from fire. To save workshop from fire, we need to save flammable materials and provide store. Any item flammable from flammable. Same the paper or paper or wood or grills or like this. We needed to use fire extinguisher if fire accident. If you have any fires in a building or like this, you need extinguisher fires. Fire extinguishers are classified into safety traps. I think now about their types of extinguisher. You have now four types in this one. This one, water extinguisher. This one using for wood or paper or clothes or some like this. But they can't use for another flammables, same liquids or gases or electric or gas or oils. Another second one is foam. This one you can use for some and some you cannot use. You can use for wood or paper or clothes or anything same or flammable liquids, or you can use it for cookies, oils, fats. But you can't use for flammable gases or electric fires. And the third one, day power border. This one using for some of one you can use for cookies, oils, and fats. This one is coming used for all of you. And another thing, just this one kind you can use for fire. The last one, I call the carbon dioxide, CO2, extinguisher. This one you can use for three kinds, and two kinds you can use. You cannot use for wood or paper or gloves, and you can use for flammable liquids, and you can use for flammable gases, and you can use for electric and cookies, and same this time. This four kind, you have a special color for each one. For water, coming just red. For foam, this one you can you see this red and yellow. The same kind of foam, this red and blue. The third one, this one you can use. The color is red and black. I have one example. This one water extinguisher. This one available all buildings, I think. Okay.
Quick question.
Okay.
How does it work?
This one first you have safety key. You need to remove it first and use this hose to fire. Press.
Okay. Can you show us? No. Very good.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Good morning.
I will talk about safety in the electrical workshop. Electrical workshop has safety hazards and workers must know how to recognize them in order to avoid electrical shocks or bombs. First, equipment. Electrical equipment must always be used in the manner on which it was intended. When electrical equipment is must. OSHA explains that the equipment safety pressure may not protect the worker. OSHA means quality from equipment. Second, personal protective equipment to provide additional safety to workers in electrical workshop. Personal protective equipment must be worn. Gloves can protect worker hands from becoming burns or shaved when worker with electrical equipment that shocks or vibration violently, just as jackaments. That means jackaments machine. Face protection is also necessary so that flying sparks do not come into contact with water, ice, causing blindness. That means anybody can't see.
Finally, we will talking about safety in the workshop. And cleanliness and how to be safe from fire. Thanks for listening. Anybody have a question?
Mr. Gamdi, you had a question, right? Yes, Mr. Gamdi.
What kind of this fire extinguisher? Because I see silver and
Any more questions? No, very good job, gentlemen. Good work. Good work.